Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a foundation that's made quite a name for itself in the beauty world, Estée Lauder's Double Wear Sheer Matte Foundation SPF 19. Designed as a liquid foundation with a matte finish, it promises up to 12 hours of wear, catering to a variety of skin types from combination to oily, and even dry skin in need of long-lasting hydration. I tested the shade 3W1 Tawny, a medium tone with warm golden undertones, to see how it performs in real life. From the first glance, the packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, holding 1.0 fel-odds of product in a sturdy glass bottle. The SPF 19 is a thoughtful addition, providing everyday protection without a heavy or greasy feel. The formula claims to offer a sheer matte finish, which is particularly appealing for those who want coverage without looking cakey. When I incorporated it into my routine, the application was surprisingly smooth. Using a damp beauty sponge gave me a natural, skin-like finish, while a brush offered more coverage without feeling heavy. It blends effortlessly, adapting nicely to my skin texture. Throughout the day, it held up well, resisting shine without over-drying my skin, even in warmer conditions. The hydration level is subtle but noticeable, especially for a matte foundation, which is often a concern with drier areas of the face. One of the strongest aspects is its wear time. I noticed minimal fading over a 10-hour period, and it didn't settle into fine lines or pores. That said, those with very dry skin might find it slightly mattifying, so a light moisturizer or primer can help balance the finish. The SPF offers light protection, though I'd still recommend a dedicated sunscreen underneath if you're spending extended time outdoors. Pros include the long wear, smooth blending, and versatile shade range that adapts well to different skin tones. The sheer matte finish is elegant without being flat, and the product feels weightless on the skin. On the flip side, it may not fully satisfy someone looking for a dewy, luminous finish, and the price point is on the higher end, typical for a prestige foundation. Speaking of value, for the quality and performance, it is justifiable if long-lasting, buildable coverage is what you need. Compared to other foundations in a similar price range, like Dior Backstage or Lancôme Teint Idole, the Double Wear Sheer Matte holds its own with slightly lighter coverage and a more breathable feel, which some may prefer for daily wear. The bottle itself is durable, and the pump dispenses a controlled amount, minimizing waste. I've found that a little goes a long way, extending the product's lifespan. Estée Lauder's reputation for customer support is strong, although I haven't personally interacted with them for this product. If you're exploring alternatives due to budget, foundations like L'Oreal Infallible 24H Matte or Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless offer similar long-wear matte finishes at a more accessible price point, though they may not have the same silky texture or SPF coverage. Overall, Estée Lauder Double Wear Sheer Matte delivers on its promises. A comfortable, long-lasting foundation that adapts well to various skin types while keeping shine under control. It's ideal for those who want a polished, natural matte look that won't fade throughout the day. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for stopping by Beautyistic. The link to purchase this foundation is in the description box below, and if you've tried it already, drop a comment letting me know your experience. I'd love to hear how it worked for your skin type. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.